Erica, say hi. Erica, say hi.
Look, you can see my dad all the way over there. Alright, come on, we gotta hurry up.
We're in school. Say hi, Jenna. Oh, okay, that's Jenna.
Where are we going?
There's too many stairs in this school. Why is your dad's car in the back? Oh, where the hell are we?
You guys are sucky at knowing this. Where are
Little bus. Okay, we're walking to Erica's car. Watch, oh my god. Can I please show you, Jenna? I hate these buses. Look at me. Bye. Bye. Oh, there's too many buses coming. I'm not running. I'm starting it again. Oh, sorry. It's like, my distance. Hi. No, my dad's right here. Okay. Oh, don't make me run in front of people. That's just awkward. Oh, did you text him?
Tell you what it is. I'm your ice cream man.
I just ran in front of them.
On my mind, I'm your ice